Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of a Miniso haul. So abhi Miniso mein there's this Harry Potter collection going on. So if there is a Harry Potter collection, I need to get it. And if I get the smallest thing, but I didn't only get Harry Potter stuff, I also got stuff that is going to be useful. So yeah, that's all I'm going to share today. So if you want to see what I got from Miniso, keep on watching. So let's start with the useful stuff. So the first thing that I got are these table mats. So these are really cool. आप इसको अपने desk पे भी रख सकते हो. It does not have to be. Obviously, I think they are made for food because of the texture. You can just wash it, wipe it. अगर इस पे खाना गिर जाता है. So it's like table mats where you eat. But if you want to keep it on your desk, I think there's no problem. If you want to keep it on your chest of drawers like the one I have on top, so that कोई भी चीज़ गंदी ना हो, and if you keeping something permanently, I think these are easier to wash and wipe. So I got I got two of these, so two sets basically. So पहले set में is the pink one, it comes in a pair, और दूसरा वाला I got yellow, and not because I wanted a different color, but दो ही available थे and both were different, so I just picked both of them. And this is like this banana design on it. So yeah, 4 of these now, 2 pink, 2 yellow. Next thing I got from Miniso are these 2 makeup removal towels. So this is something I always try to get. They last you a long time. So mine, the one I'm using, are running for 3 years now. So I just got a spare pack. 2 colors hain, and it's just so easy. They're so soft, so they don't strip your skin away. They're very gentle. Just put your makeup removing balm, micellar water, whatever you want to put, and you wipe your makeup off. And the good thing is आप इसे wash कर सकते हो. It's reusable, so great. But because मेरी skin अब बहुत sensitive हो गई है, it never used to be like that. I could wash my face with a shampoo and nothing would happen on my skin, but now it is not like that. So I like to wash it after every use. I don't put it in the washing machine. You can put it, but I just hand wash it. Like after every use, I'll just hand wash it. And I think that's the right way actually, to just wash it after every use. So yeah, anyway, this is what I got. A great product, quality product in a very affordable price. Next up, I got these lemons. So I got these scented sachets. So these are essentially just scented sachets. I don't know if they are essentially for cars, but you can actually use them everywhere. So I thought I'll put something in my wardrobe so it keeps it fresh. You can put it in your bathroom. So it comes in a set of 3 and it is for 190. So I think that's a very good price. I don't know how long it lasts because I don't think it says how long it lasts. But yeah, this is like really cool, really cute. So I got this and I'm going to hang it everywhere. It comes with a thread to hang. So yeah, just your basic freshener. I think now we are on to the Harry Potter stuff. Excited! So the first thing I got is this zipper. ऐसा लग रहा है कितना पुराना हो गया ये, the way I've kept. So it's your basic zipper. इसमें कुछ भी ऐसा extraordinary नहीं है. It's just your basic zipper. The only thing is this shouldn't have been this color. I think it should have been either golden or red because this color just doesn't match the zipper. But yeah, I am a Gryffindor and I had to get a Gryffindor zipper. There was this very cute like a tumbler cup, but it was in Ravenclaw. And I wanted it in Gryffindor, but वो available नहीं था, so I just picked this up. Also, the cute thing is it comes with a straw cover. So this is how the straw cover looks like. Let me just put it on. So you can just put this on, helps you keep your straw clean. And yeah, it just closes your straw. So next up, I got these 2 keychains. Actually, I got 3. I got a Trivisit cup as well, but my cousin took it. And it was not very good. उसने एक ही दिन लगाया था and the handle broke from one side, so it was just like half a try. Not exactly half, but उसके जो ये handles होते हैं, it broke, so it didn't look nice. So I was very disappointed. I got this keychain and then I got this lucky charm, luck potion keychain. This looks very cute, so I think I'm going to put this on my this looks very cute, so I'm going to put this on my keys today. I've been waiting for a while. I also saw this little AirPods case, but I did not get it and now I regret not getting it because it was really cute. I have a video of it. I'll just put it up here. And I think I also saw these Christmas tree ornaments, but I did not get it because I'm not doing a Christmas tree this year. So I didn't see a point of getting ornaments, but I think I should have got it for when I do a Christmas tree. It could have been that special ornament you collect once a year. But it's okay. probably next year. Then I got a set of makeup brushes which are of the shape of wands on top, which is really cute. So yeah, it's just your basic makeup brushes, but it was 1800, so I think it's a bit expensive of what it is, but I still feel it looks very cool. So Miniso ke brushes are not bad. There's one of the pink brushes from Miniso I got in 2018, and I'm still using it. They're working fine. So quality wise I don't think it's bad, but I just think 1800 is a bit too much. Also, then I got this cute little Gryffindor pen. I think this is really cute, so that's why I got it. It says platform 9 3/4 on top. It's just red and it has got these sparkly bits in the middle. Let's just see how this works actually, because I've not used it. Oh, this is heavy, but this looks so cool. Wow. And all you have to do is just twist it open. Next, I got this lamp. So it is just a round little lamp that says Harry Potter on the back and has Hogwarts Castle on the front. And then you get this stand that you have to build, which will be built essentially like this. So I'm going to build that and put it on my bedside table, and I think it's going to look really cute. Next up is also a very cute thing. It is this keychain and jewelry box. So there's a Hogwarts keychain, there's a hair tie, there's this neck piece and 2 sets of earrings. I think it's very cute. Neck piece pe Hedwig hai, and then एक set of earrings is also Hedwig, so it's really cute. And Hedwig ke paas there's this little letter that he's delivering. But yeah, this looks so cute, so I just picked it up. I think I'm going to wear it. I should have worn this today, but then I thought maybe I'd record and then start using it. Next is a cauldron stationery set. So it's just a basic stationery set in the shape of a cauldron. So iske andar you have a gel pen black, and then you have a scale and an eraser and pencil and a sharpener. That's it. So I think it looked really cute. Let me open and show it to you as well. So this is how it looks like. It is so cute, and the pencil also has a sorting hat on top, and then charo houses bhi bane hue hain. So it's really good detailing. The scale also has a lot of random stuff on it. And then you have this pen. I don't think it's a gel pen, but it says gel pen on the back. And then you have this Gryffindor eraser. So I found this really cute, and I got this. This is not plastic. This is like ceramic, so which is also cute. You can just keep it like this on your table, and it's going to look very cute. I'm not just going to keep this there. So this next thing, I don't know if I got it from Miniso India or Miniso in the UK, because I also went to Miniso in the UK. It is essentially a book light. So it is essentially a clip-on light that you can clip to your book if you're reading, and then this has light. अभी मैंने इसके अंदर बैटरी नहीं डाली है, but then yeah, it just turns on. Next, I got this Gryffindor hand cream. This was from the UK. So next 3 things are actually from the UK. So this is a Gryffindor hand cream. It smells unreal and it is so soft, so nice. I've already used it. मैंने वही use कर लिया था जैसे मैंने buy करा था. And I think this looks really cute. I'm going to just keep it in my purse always. It is 50 grams. So even for traveling, I think it's fine. But obviously, choti hand creams are much better than this. But love this. Next, I got this set of nails. So this is the Gryffindor edition set of nails. So cute. I really want to put these on. I have got my nails on, and that's why I didn't do these. But I will next time when I get rid of these, I'm going to put these on. I think they're going to look really cool. They're all different designs and shapes. Some are like Gryffindor print, some are Gryffindor house emblem, some are like Harry Potter written, one is black, one is with the thunder. So these are different shapes and designs. I think it's going to be very fun. So yeah, I'm going to do this next after I get rid of these nails. Next up, I got this reed diffuser. So it smells amazing. Because I like the scent so much, I got 2 of these, and this one I've already kept in my bathroom. So this is how it looks like. Again, her house mein available tha. मैंने Gryffindor उठाया, and it comes with this cute little scarf which I absolutely love. It's very fruity but at the same time fresh. So it has got lemon, pimento. So I think lemon and pimento are sweet and citrus. So I think that's giving that freshness. So then Lily of the Valley is there, cedarwood is there, citron is there. There's a lot of good things, and it smells really fresh and really fun, sweety diffuser. So the last thing I have is this Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry notebook. It is the coolest notebook I have. So it is very soft to touch. It is suede, but very light suede. Then it says Hogwarts on the side as well. The detailing is amazing. Then it has this print, and then it's just like old paper. That's the print, and it looks so nice, and I think I'm going to use it next year, like 2025, for my journal, because I journal every day. So this is going to be my journal. I don't think ये पूरा साल चलेगी, but as long as lasts, it is so gorgeous. So yeah, that is everything I got from Miniso. If you like the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, comment down below your house, or if you are even a Harry Potter fan. Yeah, that's a bigger question. If you'd like to stick around, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.